watchers.
Sorry we haven't been posting in a couple days.
But we're back
with a new video.
And this video will be a haul video because we just got back from the mall. The first item I got was this CD, or the DVD of The Breakfast Club. 16 Candles and Weird Science.
Don't fall off, don't fall off.
I'm not gonna fall off. It's one of my favorite movies. And
I got, oh my god, one of them broke.
The next thing I got from Sunrise Records was this M&M t-shirt. And yeah.
I went to Blue Notes. This is a black shirt. So this shirt is from Blue Notes, as you can tell.
My next item is this Ice Cube shirt. It's very nice. It's from Sunrise Records.
Blue Notes! This next item from Blue Notes is this shirt, and it's a shoulder tee. My favorite part about the shirt is the little ties on the end, and yeah, that's all.
The next item is from
Happy Hippo.
Happy Hippo.
It's a drugstore. I mean, a bath bomb store.
Yeah.
Here in Canada.
I got this bath bomb.
We got a Riverdale poster. Ow.
For our new room.
For our new room, we have a Stranger Things one right there.
Mm-hmm.
You cannot see it, but it is there. But we love Riverdale, so Alyssa saw this poster and she was like, let's get it. Oh, this is also from Sunrise Records.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
The next thing I got
was for both of us.
Yeah. Okay, this is Super Cool Slime. It's from Marshall's, and it's this box. It has 3 slimes in it, and we will be testing them out today.
Okay, so we're gonna take.
There's
3.
They come in
White.
They come in little white boxes. I'm gonna open this one.
I'm gonna open this one.
I don't know what colors these are gonna be, but oh, well, this one's nice. It's like,
I got a disgusting one. I got like the original. Super wet and cold. Let's try it out.
the bottle is quite a struggle to open.
Doesn't smell like anything. So now we're gonna
Kind
poke
of
it.
smells like horse.
1, 2. Oh.
This is so cool. It's like jiggly. It's actually slimy. Yum.
This is what it. Ew. It kind of reminds me of Blurp. Okay, got it.
Okay, the last thing we got for both of us is these.
Foam balls.
They're foam balls, and they have surprise toys inside. What color do you want? I kind of want the blue one.
I want the yellow one.
Oh, there's a...
Sure, you do
So you
that.
just gotta peel the plastic off
Where?
from the bottom.
What do you mean?
There's plastic.
I don't see it.
See?
So, this is what you do.
And it says there's a surprise toy inside. Found it.
Oh, it's
Like,
in a little, and it comes in a little bag.
yeah, it comes in a little bag like this. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I got a golden penguin.
I got a panda bear.
How cute. Put our golden pals in the... Hey, that landed with our duets. Thank you guys so much for watching our new video.
Please make sure to like,
Subscribe for
And
more weird content.
but we both know
There's stranger things in the world.
Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell.
So you'll get notified every time we post a new video.
We love you guys.
And see you guys in our next video.
Honest.